Well, my friends, we've come to that point now where we are going to unbox our first Playmobil WILTOPIA playset. Oh my god. Hello everyone again, and thanks for tuning in. I am very excited to be showing you this set right here. In fact, we are taking a look today at the Playmobil WILTOPIA set number 71010. This is the boat trip to the Manatees. This is one of those sets where when I was originally introduced to the WILTOPIA line on the Playmobil 2022 catalog, I was kind of intrigued over the fact that they were focusing on wildlife. I realized they were starting to develop their toys with recycled parts, which I thought was a fantastic business decision, honestly. But it was the appearance of the Manatees, which I don't recall ever being produced by Playmobil prior to the WILTOPIA line, that got me really excited. I'm a big fan of manatees. I remember visiting my grandparents, and my grandfather would take me to various springs all over the west coast there and took me to go manatee watching. And it was just so much fun. So the fact that they had manatee clickies, well, I guess they don't click, so I guess they're just manatee figurines. It just got me really excited and nostalgic, and I like the idea that they could float in the water just like the boats and various aquatic animals that Playmobil has produced. So I had every intention of getting this set, and the only thing is that it was really expensive. Just too expensive for me to want to dish out the cash for it. I finally managed to get my hands on a set due to a little partnership that we had going on with Zen's Toyland in Tampa, Florida. I was happy to finally get this at an affordable price, and we even worked up a partnership with Zen's Toyland for the month of April, where I gave everybody 20% off the entire online store. But looking at the front of the package here, we do have two clickies. They do have names. I have not watched the Playmobil WILTOPIA series on YouTube, so I don't know their names just yet. But I think what really steals the show here are those three manatees, and I'm very excited to get this open. Here's one side of the box. It just has a micro version of the front image, and then as we scroll upward, it has the manufacturer and the distributor. The other side of the box is a little different. It too has a micro image of the front of the package, and as we scroll up, it does show a different view of the manatee, but also a real life version of that same picture. The top of the box shows various WILTOPIA playsets you can get for the line. The bottom of the box has our choking hazard warnings in various languages, as well as all of our contents photographed individually, and then ends it here with the barcode. And here's the back of the box, again showing you the importance of recycling as well as protecting the environment and all of its inhabitants. An image on the back shows that our boat can float. And in case you couldn't figure it out, it shows that our manatees also can float. I appreciate how the WILTOPIA sets focus more on the learning and discovery aspect of our environment as well as play. And that's it for the box details, everyone. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. Whoa. Now, I don't typically like to go over these, but we got this really nice WILTOPIA insert, which has the directions of how to put everything together, but also comes with a card and also a picture showing us all the other Playmobil sets that we get. All WILTOPIA sets come with this little card. Go ahead and scan that QR code if you want. Since our set focuses on manatees, we got a manatee card. Now, one of the first things that come out of the box, believe it or not, was this, is this technically a lily pad? It's a very large lily pad. As you can see, compared to the size of my hand, it's pretty large.
Big foam piece.
Little plant. foam, which I did not expect. I would never have expected this piece of foam. So that's really nice, and that is what I believe maybe the manatees would hide underneath. And in fact, here's our manatee. I was trying to save this for later in our video, but here she is. This is the mama, and she is beautiful. Look at this. Manatees are also called sea cows, which is not very flattering, but at the same time it kind of fits. Now I don't know if these are just imperfections in the plastic or if this was done on purpose, but you can see little scrapes and things on the surface of the manatee's back here, which is very true to life. Unfortunately, manatees, where they are mammals and they swim often at the top of the water, as boats go over the water, the propellers hit their backs and scratch them up, so it can injure them, sometimes even kill them. But efforts are being taken so that boaters are a little more responsible and very careful in making sure that manatees are left unharmed while they're boating. Here we have a very colorful sticker sheet. Here's the base of our boat. It's pretty big, actually. It's not quite as big as the Viking ship or anything like that, but it's a lot bigger than I would have imagined just by looking at the box. I'm so excited to see this thing. Hey, let's get this boat assembled, huh? Hey, just so you know, this piece is not going to go on straight.
Rubber net. And here's the motor.
Thumbs up if you get that Beatles reference. Canopy. Wait. Make sure the balls of the poles are on the bottom. I have this wrong. Canopy, take 2. All right.
Ugh, this is a mess.
Don't lose these small clamps. More clamps. Also comes with a red frog, probably one of those poisonous ones too.
Touch me, I dare ya, ribbit.
Don't lose the black peg. You need it for this. And it attaches to the underwater camera protector that houses your camera. Pretty cool. Yay, more little pieces. More stickers? All right, you get 2 blue jars. Well, no, you're only supposed to get 1. The cap to one of them goes to this jar here. Spray bottle. Well, guys, I'm loving the set so far, but I have a beef. My problem actually is with the boat. I don't like how the sandbags don't clamp. They just fall. Same with the net. It goes onto the boat, but it doesn't secure itself to the boat. And that can be a problem if you're a kid and you want to play in the tub, or even worse, in a swimming pool. As a parent, I would definitely want to purchase things for my kids that I know they're going to have for a very long time. And well, as a kid, some things are just out of our control. Oh, I forgot something. So with the set, you do get a rattlesnake, and you get also this little sponge piece, but I have no idea what it's for. Is it for the snake to take a bath? I am kidding, but seriously, what's it for? Oh man, check it out guys. Here are our clickies. We got them out of the box and we can finally figure out what their names are. Our male clicky is named James. He goes by Jamie. He's 39, he's British, he loves tea, he's got a family, and he's very clumsy. Oh yeah, and he's also a vet. Our female clicky is named Sophia. She's actually a brilliant South American environmental scientist. And if I'm reading this right, I think she's James's wife. And here they are in their adventure gear. Looks like they're ready to take on these manatees and take care of them to the best of their ability. I'm not sure why the sponge was paired up with the snake in the manual, but evidently it goes into the box of supplies, and it's used to help address any wounds the manatees might have. Here are the stars of our show, guys, our manatees. They're adorable. I love them. So happy to have them out of the box.
Ah, me too. Ha ha ha.
There's not too much to say about the manatees in general. They are buoyant, so they will float in the water, and they only are a bit of articulation on the baby manatees is the tail. As for the mom, the tail will move, so does the mouth. Let's see if I can get it open for you. Yep, not much, but they don't open very much in real life either. The front fins of the adult manatee are articulated with this swivel joint here. And that there sums it up for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed our review of the boat ride to the manatees playset from Playmobil. Again, the only beef I really have with this set is the fact that the sandbags are just so loose they come right out without any effort. And that could cause problems for kids that don't like to lose pieces, or parents that don't like their kids to lose pieces.
Hello.
You never know. Kids just get into things and
Hello, so I'm
things
talking
happen.
to you.
But all in all, guys, this is one really good set.
Hello.
And don't forget, the bottom of the boat has the little clip for you to add on the motor. So with that said, this set definitely gets an A+.
Excuse me?
Just because of the manatees. It makes it all worthwhile.
This is for science expedition.
Hope you liked our video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't already for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. That's it for now, guys. I really enjoyed doing this one, and we've got more on the way. We'll see you again very soon, right here on Playmo AF.